You have already learned how to find the HCF and LCM of two positive integers using the FTA in earlier classes without realizing it, right? Do you remember the prime factorization method? Let us recall this through an example. First, we will discuss how to find LCM. The least number which is exactly divisible by each of the given numbers is called the least common multiple or LCM of those numbers. So let's consider numbers 6 and 20. So 6 can be written as 2 into 3, 20 can be written as 2 into 5 into 2, which is nothing but 2 square into 5. This is all by prime factorization. LCM, so LCM of 6 and 20 should be divisible by both the numbers. It can only be possible if LCM is the product of the greatest power of each prime factor involved in the numbers. So the LCM is 2 square into 3 into 5 is equals to 60. So LCM is the product of greatest power of each prime factor. Now let's discuss HCF. The largest number which exactly divides the given two or more numbers is the highest common factor of these numbers. Now for example, let's consider some example like 20 and 6. So from FTA, 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 and 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So here the highest common factor is 2. So HCF is 2. Because it is the highest and most common prime factor, HCF is the product of smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. HCF is also known as greatest common divisor. So we found the HCF and LCM of 6 and 20. Now we can verify the relation between LCM, HCF and the two numbers. So relation, we'll verify the relation here. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which is 60, and HCF was 2, right? So HCF into LCM is 60 into 2, which is nothing but 120. So the product of 6 into 20 is also 120. We can see that HCF into LCM is equal to the product of two numbers. Now we will discuss one more example to verify this relation. So find the LCM and HCF of 26 and 91 by prime factorization method and verify that LCM into HCF is product of two numbers. So 26 is equals to 2 into 13, 91 is equals to 7 into 13. So LCM of 26 and 91 is 2 into 7 into 13, which is 182, and HCF of 26 and 91 is 13.